Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of a serious shooting incident in Canada's Parliament buildings in Ottawa. In business news, American securities regulators have adopted a rule earlier today designed to avert another financial crisis, but two officials dissented, saying it did not do enough to discourage banks from lending to borrowers with dodgy credit and then passing the mortgage risk to investors. US consumer prices rose 1.7% year on year to September, which was fractionally more than was expected, but about the same as for August. A rise in food and housing costs offset a decline in energy prices. More impressive, however, was the rise last week of American mortgage applications. They rose almost 12% in a week. It was refinancing that drove the results, up 23% in a week. These are the strongest levels since early 2013. And it is looking more like only about 20 countries have signed up for China's big new infrastructure bank, the AIIB. US lobbying against it has been stiff. China has given Australia a 48-hour ultimatum to sign, putting them in a difficult position in the middle of their FTA negotiations. In Australia, consumer prices were reported at 2.3% higher yesterday in the September quarter, as rises in cost of fruit and houses, property rates and vehicle charges were offset by falls in electricity and petrol. That was a sharp slowdown from the 3% in the June quarter, due in large part to the removal of their carbon taxes following their election. New Zealand CPI data is due out later this morning. Stocks are in losing territory in mid-afternoon trade in New York. In Europe, however, stocks are higher in a small rally driven by an expected ECB bond buying program. US Treasury 10-year yields are up slightly again today to 2.23%. The oil price, however, has fallen overnight and is now under $81 a barrel, with the Brent price now under $85 a barrel. The gold price is also down, now at $1,244 an ounce, unable to maintain its recent gains. We start today with our currency just a little lower. New Zealand dollars at 79.4 US cents, 90.4 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 77.2. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.